Hello, I'm Mark Broadbent with Moog. I'm a senior systems engineer here today with Microchip talking about their PIC64 HPSC and Moog's Cascade single board computer product coming to market.
Hi, I'm Taolan with Microchip. I'm the HPSC product manager. I'm excited to be here with my friend Mark to talk about our solution for the next generation onboard computing.
So Tao, we've been just talking over the last several years about this design as it's been maturing and growing. What really made Microchip decide to be part of this HPSC solution?
Yeah, absolutely. So Mark, there are many good reasons why Microchip decided to develop this HPSC solution, right? So I think number one is really we see a strong market demand. So the space agencies and the NASA, they've been flying, a very old processor, space-grade processor for the last decades, and then they need a next generation new solution which can give them all the high-performance computing and the AI capability to really enable their autonomous missions. So we are talking about all the satellites and the spacecraft, the lander, the rovers. They all need the edge computing capability to do the processing on the edge instead of sending the data back to the Earth for processing. So HPSC will be able to enable that. And also the HPSC will come with all the standard interface and the technology that allow people to develop this solution really quickly, to change the way the NASA or the space customs use to develop their system solutions. So the same question to you, Mark. What is triggering Moog to decide to develop the Cascade single board computer based on the HPSC process?
It's a great question because we run a lot of different single board computers, graphical processing units, and other accelerators and network switches through our product line for space applications. And we just see a need for a true rad-hard, rad-tolerant solution that meets the need of the market. Instead of having to upscreen commercial processors and other elements, we're actually able to take and have a guaranteed solution that works in space every time for every mission. And for us, that's a game changer. With the standard interfaces, the high networking capability, the secure boot features that are associated with this, and the ability to have multiple cores and processors in this solution space, it really is a game changer in high performance space computing, which is HPSC.
Yeah, I fully agree. I think Microchip and Moog, we do have the same vision about what is required for the future space computing. So that's why we are developing a very unique set of technology, including high performance computing, AI capability, TSA Ethernet switching, security, right? So we truly believe that this set of technology will allow us to advance the space computing in the future.
Yeah, it really is a big changer when it comes to us meeting the needs of constellations, high integration and networking across those constellations. HPSC and Moog's Cascade single board computer working together really will provide a solution for customers.
Yeah, we also see that while Microchip is bringing the processor to the market, we do see that industry is also asking for commercially available standard form factor single board computers. So we really see this big value for this partnership between Microchip and the Moog. So we bring the chip to the market, and the Moog is able to at the same time, bring the single board computer solution to the market.
We're super excited to have the chips coming out very shortly from Microchip, and our single board computers ready to go, waiting for those to be assembled, and really be able to have this coming into this market space very shortly over the next couple of months. We're excited.
Yeah, same here. And we think that pretty soon, the market will be able to see the HPSC and also the Cascade SBC hit the market. That would be a big time.
Thanks.